Dear students and friends, today I will give amazing video and also extraordinary video for you. Today I will give unusual animals video. So what is meant by unusual animals? In Kannada, asamanya pranigulu. So these animals are very amazing in the world because these are not seen everywhere. First one, mantis shrimp. That name is called mantis shrimp. This mantis shrimp is very beautiful animal and also it is a very ancient fierce and more than a little weird. So more than 400 million years ago, various forms of mantis shrimp have been around. They are so freakishly strong that their appendage called claps can smash crab shells and bust open clams. These shrimp have incredible eyesight. They can see in two different directions at once. They strike with pinpoint accuracy. So these are very beautiful, but it is very dangerous. This is called mantis shrimp. It's seen in Australia. Next you come to the second one, very beautiful animal that is called as glass frog. So do you know glass frog? The glass frog is like a glass. Just as you can see the through glass, you can see through the extraordinary glass frog. Many of these frogs have lime green skin, but some lack any coloratin on their underside, making their organs visible to the naked eye. Your best chance of spotting this tree dwelling frog is in a Costa Rica or in Panama. This is very beautiful animals. The glass frog is just like a grass. It's seen all the organs by naked eye. Next you come to third one, stick insect. What is meant by stick insect? The stick insect is also one of the amazing animals. It is unusual animals. Finding a stick insect requires a careful observations as the name makes very clear. It resembles a stick. This combined with an ability to stay perfectly still for long stretches of time provides the stick insect with one of the most efficient natural camouflage of earth, as Natural Geographic Uptale puts it, native to Australia. It boasts the added features of thorn-like spikes to further blend into its surroundings. If you suffer from an insect phobia, as many do, the Pobectis kirby's. Next, fourth one, shoebill. Shoebill is like our shoe. This is amazing animal. No shack, the shoebill stroke has a bill shaped like a shoe. The shoebills use their powerful beaks to grasp and struggle just about anything they encounter. But don't worry, they don't prey on humans. Find one now in the East Africa where their habitat is concentrated, which is be only seen in the East Africa. It is very endangered animals because very rare animal, that is called as a shoebill. Next, the fifth one, wombat. Wombat is when you see a wombat is a fuzzy little with a friendly face and calm. But don't be fooled by appearances. Wombats sport rodent-like teeth and can get aggressive if they free treated. You can find wombat in the Diego San Diego Zoo and also head to Australia's Maria Island. It can be seen in Australia's Maria Island and also San Diego Zoo. It is a wombat. Wombat animal is also very rare, but it's seen only in Australia. Next to axolotl. Axolotl is one of the salamander manx to be at once adorable and kind of disturbing. Its nice name, walking fish. Why? Because its legs are very small. This is extraordinary creature which comes in colors ranging from creamy white to olive is only native to Mexico. It can be seen only in Mexico City in the lakes of Jojimilico. So we have to see only in the Mexico City. It is a axolotic, very axolotl is a very scarce and also very salamander mangoes. Next to come to the another animal that is called sun bear. Sun bear are the smallest bear in the world. It is a very smallest bear in the world. It has long tongues, more than 9 inches. Sand bears climbs tree to find honeycomb. So it is called honey bears. And their tongues come in handy when they lick out their load. Sun bear in Southeast Asia, where unlike their North American cousins, they thrive in tropical forest environments. It is very long tongues, more than 9 inches tongues. It can be handy when they lick out their load. So this is very important animals also. It is a unusual animals. Next to come to lyre bird. That is called as a lyre bird. So lyre bird is one of the important bird in the world because lyre bird could easily win a talent so for their ability to mimic sounds in their environment. They can imitate just about any sound including industrial equipments and power tools. This lyre bird can be seen only in Australia. The males show off their long tail feathers while dancing and using their superb vocal abilities to attract the males. This is a lyre bird. It is very beautiful animals. Its feathers like a long. Next to come to another one important animals, unusual animals like ferret fish. Do you know ferret fish? You can find ferret fish in tropical reef. Tropical reef. It can be seen in tropical reef environments where they use their external teeth which look like a beak to break algae of rocks, coral and other hardened substrate. This ability allows them to carve out a living in places where many other species cannot survive. Another fun fact, parrotfish defecates sand. As it turns out, many of the sand grains found on white sand beaches are actually parrotfish poop. Parrotfish are found in the Indian and also Pacific Oceans. It can also be found in Indian and also Pacific Oceans. It is a very beautiful animal and also it is a unusual animals because its color is a parrot. So it is called as a parrotfish. Next you come to another one of the important animals that is called as a okapi. So what is okapi? What is the special features of okapi? The okapi is the only living relative of the giraffe. But features of the distinctive black and white markings of the zebra on its hindquarters and also front legs. What is the nickname of okapi? Zebra giraffe. Zebra giraffe is the nickname of okapi, obviously. This endangered animal is leery of humans and hard to find. So much so that scientists did not discover the okapi until 1000. It lives in the Uturi forest in the Democratic Republic of Congo. But travelers cannot access this area. It is a very beautiful area, but travelers cannot access this area because it can be seen only in the forest of Republic Birds. Next to come to the markhor. What is meant by markhor? Markhor is also one of the very important animals. It is unusual animals. This exotic wild goat is also known as screw-horn goat, and it's easy to see why. Its head is adorned with long corkscrew shaped horns. Unlike most goals which can appear a little silly, the marker strikes. A majestic pose with a long beard that clearly demonstrates the wisdom. It is found in mountains of Afghanistan, Pakistan, Turkmenistan, the Himalayas, and Uzbekistan. So this is called as a screw horn goat. So it is called as a marker. It is like a goat animals. This is also unusual animals. Dear students, look this animal. It is like a red lips, correct? So it is called as a red-lipped batfish. Its name is red-lipped batfish. Speaking of wild Galapagos animals, check out the red-lipped batfish. Also native to the highlands, this fish dwells along the ocean's floor and is known for its red lips, which makes it look like it's recently devoured a bloody feast. The second part of the fish's scientific name, Vacuocephalus darwins, is nod to Charles Darwin, who famously studied evolutions while visiting the Galapagos. So it is called as a red lips batfish. It is a very beautiful animal. So these are some unusual animals. In the next video, we will give some more unusual animals for you. So you can watch our video and subscribe our channel that is called Genius Wonder. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.